The plumbing class runs approximately 10 weeks, and throughout the class you will learn about plumbing theory. You'll work in shop. You'll use a variety of materials such as copper, PEX, PVC, CPVC. You'll also use some of the latest equipment in the plumbing trade. You will be using ProPress, MegaPress, the expander tools, and other things like that. Upon completion of the class, you'll be certified in Viega, Counter-Strike, and a few other things. Overall, it's a great learning experience for someone who wants to enter the plumbing trade.